Alright, I'm going to demonstrate how to play the tune Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star using harmonics on the bass. I'm going to be using harmonics and in this area of the bass. I think, if I remember right, in the Raboth method and in the George Fentz books, this is called 6th position. This is where I'm going to use 3 fingers, my thumb, my index finger, and my middle finger, so thumb 1 and 2, to play all the notes for this tune. I'm going to place my thumb on the harmonic that's 2 octaves above the open string. So, for example, on the G string, I have, this is the 1 octave harmonic, it's halfway between the nut and the bridge. We have this 5th D harmonic, and then the next one is this G harmonic, which is 2 octaves above the open G. So you're going to want to just play around, move your thumb around until you find that harmonic. When it's ringing really nice, you know you found it. Then the next harmonic after that is B, which is on my bass and my finger spacing, it's maybe, my fingers are about 1 inch apart. That can vary a little bit depending on your string length and so forth. But that's what it sounds like, that 3rd. And then I have another harmonic right after that, which is D, which is like maybe a little less than 1 inch apart from my 2nd and 1st and 2nd finger. So maybe just get used to finding those 3 harmonics with thumb 1 and 2. Get a little comfortable playing that triad. And then keep your hand in that same spot on the string. Just pop that over to the D string and you have the same harmonic ratio or relationship. So 2 octaves above the D string, F sharp, and A. Go over to the A string, you can do the same thing. Right, A, C sharp, and E. So now you know where all the notes are that you need to play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So we're going to play in the key of D major, so we're going to start with D, with thumb on the D string. Then A is 2 on the D string, B is where 1 is on the G string, 2 with A on the D string, G is thumb on the G string, F sharp is on the D string with 1, E is on the A string with 2, and D with thumb. Do that again. Alright, so that's the first half of that. The second half starts with A, which is 2nd finger on the D string. Then I have G on the G string with thumb. F sharp's on the D string with 1. E is on the A string with 2. And do that again. And then I have the A section of the tune that I repeat. Okay, I'm going to play through the entire tune so you can observe what I do. I'm going to try and a little different angle, see if that's helpful. Notice that in order to get these harmonics to ring, my bow is placed fairly close to the bridge. I'm not up here. I mean, I get kind of a little too close to my fingers. That's going to be problematic. But these harmonics are going to ring really well if I'm bowing pretty close to the bridge. In fact, I could be almost right next to the bridge and still work okay. I mean, there's a limit to how close before it gets kind of scratchy, but you know, that might be maybe 1.5 inches away from my bridge on my bass. But you can kind of experiment. You'll find the spot where you can really get that harmonic to ring out nicely. Just keep your bow in that spot when you play this tune. Right, you can play a lot of little melodies with that combination of notes. So that's how we do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star with harmonics in 6th position.